What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today I'm here at Rockville with my friend Ebby.
Hey.
We're doing an install on his bike. We're installing the Rocknride 3-inch powered motorcycle speakers and a mountable remote. The remote controls all the different playback options like Bluetooth, USB for a thumb drive, FM radio, and the aux input. So the main speaker has all the connection points. You have built-in aux, a USB connection for a USB drive. You can plug in a thumb drive with music on it and control all the playback options from the remote itself. You have the connection to the other speaker, you have the connection for the remote, and here you have the harness that allows you to install it straight to the battery of the bike. So because this gets powered by the bike's battery, the first thing you want to do is get all of the externals out of the way so you have an easy path to the battery. Once you're at the battery, loosen the positive terminal and the negative terminal. And now that we have the terminals loosened, what we're actually going to do is take the positive and negative wires and throw them onto the terminal loops and screw it back tight, just so we have a strong connection. The black wire on the speaker harness goes to the negative terminal, and the red wire on the speaker harness goes to the positive terminal. So right now we connected the harness to the battery through the positive and negative terminals. The next part of the process is actually cable management. So on every bike it's going to be a little bit different, but you want to find the best way that you can run your wires that are out of the way. After you've managed your cables nice and neat, the next step is to actually mount the speakers onto the handlebar. The first thing you need to do is attach this bracket to the speakers. It gets attached by 2 Phillips screws. After you have the clamp on the bottom of one of your speakers, you need to take these 2 clamps. These are actually the locking mechanism that goes over your handlebars. Now this lip actually goes into this groove here. So you're going to take one of the included rubber inserts, you're going to put one of the pieces underneath, so you feed that through. And now, because there's the rubber insert here, it's a much more secure fit. So when we add our bolt, this thing is not going to move anywhere. So after you've gotten this bracket on the handlebar in a position that you like, the next thing to do is take one of the bolts, run it through the top opening over here, then you're going to run this whole thing through the holes over here. Then you're going to take your nut and screw it on. After you've installed one speaker, it's exactly the same process on the other side. The last step is to install the mountable remote. Now, I just want to talk about the remote really quick. If you're in Bluetooth mode, you can create a playlist on your phone, press play, and then put your phone away and control all the playback options from the remote itself. So the first thing you want to do is actually go ahead and connect it to the harness that's on the speaker. And the connection works exactly the same as on the speakers. It's basically just a lock and bolt mechanism. So it's exactly the same way. You just go ahead and clamp it over. So we have everything hooked up. The last step is to put the externals back on and power it up. So now we have the speakers installed onto the handlebar of the motorcycle. It's running off the power of the battery. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. You just hold it. You go ahead and you click the power button again to switch the mode. On your playback device, like your smartphone, you connect to the Bluetooth. It'll come up as Rocknride. You connect, and let's go ahead and give it a little test. So right now I'm at about 45%. I'm gonna go up a little bit. I'm at 75% right now. It's pretty loud for 2 3-inch speakers. So I'm at about 85 now, very loud. This is definitely gonna be loud enough whether you're on your motorcycle and you have the obvious road noise, or if you throw them on the frame of your ATV and you're on the trail. So you heard what that sounds like. There was like 0 distortion, a very clean and balanced sound. Definitely enough power to get over any road noise or any trail noise if you throw them on your ATV. They're waterproof completely. All these seals actually get sealed up. The USB has its own cover. So if you're looking for a very quick and easy to install solution for your motorcycle or ATV, look no further than the Rocknride from Rockville. If you liked what you saw in this video, leave a like and a comment in the comment section below. As always guys, I'm Mike, this is Ebby. We'll see you next time.